Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can easily sew a double rolled hem. So here's one that I sewed earlier, and I've folded the material over twice and then I've sewn a line across the bottom just to secure it. And today I'm going to be showing you how you too can also sew a double rolled hem. So here we've just got a piece of fabric. If you was making your rolled hem for a specific garment or project, then you need to take your seam guide and measure the width of the hem so you know how much to roll it over. But for this, I'm just going to eyeball it and we're just going to roll it over. To secure the hem in place, then you can either use a seam roller and just roll it like that, or if you want it to be a little bit neater, then you can take an iron, or I'm just going to use my little mini easy press and we're just going to iron that across, and that's just going to help keep it neat and just secure it all down. We're going to iron it all the way along, and because it's a double rolled hem, we're going to roll it again, making it exactly the same width as the first time. And then again, you can either use your seam roller or your iron and just iron that straight. Once that's all been ironed, we're almost ready to get sewing. If you would like to and you feel the need, then you can add some pins into the material and we can pin it, and that will also help to keep the fabric in place whilst we are sewing. Once that's all pinned, the next thing we need to do is take it over to the sewing machine and get that sewn. To sew along the hem, all we're going to do is place the material underneath our fabric, and we're trying to keep the needle as close to the edge of the material as possible. So if needs be, you can lower the needle using the wheel at the side just to check on the positioning, and then you can make any adjustments if you see necessary. We need to make sure that the stitch is on a straight stitch at a suitable length, and once that's all in place, then we are ready to start sewing. So we're going to start by doing a reverse stitch at the start, and then now we're ready just to stitch all the way along the material. Once we reach the end, we are just going to do a reverse stitch again, just to finish it off, and then we're ready to remove our material. And once that's all been stitched, then that is your rolled hem complete. It doesn't matter whether you stitch it on the side of the fold or if you stitch it on the other side. That's also down to personal preference. I find it easier to stitch it on the side where the seam is, so that I know that I'm keeping right along the edge, but you need to do whichever way you find easiest. I really hope you enjoyed my sewing tutorial today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.